Hello everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly, uh, if it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. I am doing the reading for the zodiac sign Capricorns for the month of January 2022. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Let's see. Okay, so fighting is going on, either in your head or heart space. There is a fighting going on related to certain situation, either your career life is related or your relationship is related. Okay, so yeah, there is a fighting going on between head space or a heart space, or else there is a fighting going on around you, outside you. Okay, you are being compared yourself with someone else, so comparisons are going on, disappointments are going on into a situation. Okay, you hate being compared with someone else, and if that's the reason, that is really disappointing you a lot nowadays. You're going through some spiritual awakening, third eye chakra opening, which is very good. You know what's your purpose in life, or you are understanding what's the real purpose of your life is, which is very good. Okay, you are being very unhappy right now into a situation. Okay, so you are being very unhappy into a situation, either related to a family situation or a relationship situation or a career situation. There has to be a decision made related to certain situation or certain things in life. If you are separated with your partner, or if you are thinking about a relationship, you might be taking a decision related to that, or there has to be a decision made related to money or a pentacle thing. Okay, I can also see that there is an offer coming towards you within an year. An offer of money will be coming, which will help you to grow financially on a major level. That will change your life to the fullest. Okay, so I'm just telling you that, if that financial offer is coming towards you, grab that particular offer. That will really help you to change your life. Okay, or your perspective towards your life. Okay. Love life. Okay, very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Okay, so very soon something is, you have to make a decision on, either in your, it may be related to a relationship, it may be related to a romantic life. Okay, so yes, you need to make a decision related to it. Okay, there might be a past life relation involved. You have known each other before. Okay, so past life relationship or past life connection is related to something. You have known each other before. Yes, so you are dealing with someone, you are dating someone, or you have recently met with someone with whom you have a past life connection. Okay, it might be a karmic connection, or it might be a twin flame connection, but make sure that, if it's a karmic connection, get detached towards it. Okay, because sometimes past life relationship comes in this lifetime to, equal the balance of our karmas in this lifetime. Okay, I can see that. Codependency, addictions are affecting your romantic life. Yes, so if you are, dealing with, certain sort of drugs or smoking alcohol or something like that, you need to get rid of it, because it will nothing do, it will just ruin your health. Okay, and that's not needed actually. Okay, so yeah, what are the universal messages? Let's see. What are the universal messages? What are the universal messages? What are the universal messages? The first universal message is, I surrender to a power greater than me. Amazing. Capricorns, I think your love life is affected a lot. I mean, related to certain things, or, you might be dealing with a karmic connection, karmic relationship, karmic person. That's what I'm getting into my intuition. okay, or you are dealing with someone is karmically attached to you in this lifetime, and who is coming towards you very soon, and you need to make a certain decision related to that person, okay. So make sure of it. Just on a positive note, I'm just telling you, okay. The second universal message is, I find a deeper meaning and personal growth amid discomfort. The third universal message, I'm picking up randomly, guys, okay. The third universal message is, the universe works fast when I'm having fun, okay. So if you will be having fun, and if you will be happy and blessed, things will be turning out in your favor, okay guys. Yes, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Wishing you all a very, 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 very happy new year, Capricorns, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.